Coming to you live from the Adirondack Mountains, this is Chris Roberts, and he's harvesting living spring water. Here's our 6-gallon carboy. He's going to take it back to the car. We have beautiful living spring water.
At an angle on the video.
Wow. It's coming out of the ground and it's cold. It tastes incredible. Chris is going to try some.
Really cold.
This water will make you feel like you're
TDS of 30.
energized. With a TDS of 30, that's incredible. Total dissolved solids, only 30. How is it?
Better. It really doesn't. This just flows like the cellular.